Hey guys, so as you guys know, we are moving. I listened to the Gorillas before you did, okay? So, that's mine. Where are you putting that? So our plan is to move everything to the living room so we can clear out this whole room.
Guitars.
Ow. And this is where we're sleeping. Also, don't have kids because they break your blinds.
No.
Drove it there.
This one gonna lay down. Yeah. Does it put in there? No.
What's going on? What's the problem?
So, we made a big hole in your wall. Cassie made a big hole in your wall.
Hell no.
We made four. We did not do anything. Is that straight?
No, it's crooked. No, higher. There.
Okay. Wait. Hold on. I'm just gonna flip it and then so I can see where everything is.
Leo, I think we need to fire these interior designers.
Right here. Yeah, I think I made it. Oh no, you can't reach the hamburger. Where is it? It's on the bed. Oh my god.
So that is it for our moving out vlog. It was kind of short only because I wanted to keep the whole like new apartment tour in one video, and that's gonna be a little bit longer. So yeah, basically all we did was just take everything from our old apartment, put it in our new apartment, and I mean just fix everything up. I do not recommend anybody living on the third floor. It is such a pain in the ass. Don't do it, guys. Trust me, you don't want that struggle in your life. So yeah, the apartment tour, new apartment tour will be coming up maybe within the next week. So be on the lookout for that. And what else do I have to say? I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.